apartment.
When we Jamaicans say over here, I mean over here.
From long time, you know why we say that.
Look good. Look good.
Listen, the girl up here look good now. They know why I'm here, baby. Baby, tell me, Caleb.
I wish you catch her.
Everybody know you're good to see style,
Catch her.
Just pick up yourself, yeah.